Hi students, welcome back to the class 2 of topology. Example, let X be any set, then the collection I equals set of pi comma X consisting of empty set and the whole set X is always a topology for X is called indiscrete or trivial topology. The pair x, I is called an indiscrete topological space. Set of pi, x, y is null set, x is the whole set. This is always a topology on x. This is called indiscrete topology and the pair x, I is called indiscrete topological space. Next example, let D be the collection of all subsets of X. Then D is a topology for X is called discrete topology. The pair X, D is called a discrete topological space. Here D is the collection of all the subsets of X. Since phi is a subset of X, X is a subset of X, every set is a subset of itself, therefore first condition phi belongs to D. X belongs to D. D means collection of all the subsets of X. First two condition holds good. Third one, pi intersection X is pi belongs to D. Similarly, the intersection of two subsets of X is again a subset of X. Fourth, similarly, the union of any collection of subsets of X is again a subset of X. Therefore, X, D is a topological space. This is called discrete topological space. Next definition, cofinite or finite complement topology. Here, let X be any set and T be the collection of all those subsets of X whose complements are finite. See here X is any set, T be the collection of all those subsets of X whose complements are finite, including empty set. That is, subset A of X belongs to T if A is empty or A dash is finite. Then T is called cofinite topology. Okay. Example, let X be a non-empty set, T be the family consisting of phi and all those non-empty subsets of X whose complements are finite. Then show that T is a topology on X or show that T is a cofinite topology or finite complement topology. All are same. Here, since X complement equals pi, which is finite, belongs to T. Pi complement is X belongs to T. First two conditions holds good. Let G1 and G2 any two elements of T. Then their complements are finite. It is given. G1 complement, G2 complement are finite. They are finite, nothing but their union should be finite. G1 dash union G2 complement is finite. By using De Morgan's law, this can be written as G1 intersection G2 complement is finite. This implies their complement is finite, nothing but this element should be in the topology T. That is G1 intersection G2 belongs to T. Fourth one, let G lambda belongs to T for any lambda belongs to arbitrary set A. Then G lambda, complement of G lambda is finite for every lambda belongs to A. Here G lambda dash is finite, nothing but their intersection is finite, their arbitrary intersection of set of G lambda dash such that lambda belongs to A is finite. By using De Morgan's law, this can be written as complement of union of set of G lambda such that lambda belongs to A is also finite by using De Morgan's law. Complement of this set is finite, nothing but this is belongs to T, that is union of set of G lambda such that lambda belongs to A belongs to T. Hence XT is a topological space. Next, co-countable topology. Let X be a non-empty set. Let T be the family consisting of phi and all those non-empty subsets of X whose complement is countable, then T is called co-countable topology. Here T be the family consisting of phi and all those non-empty subsets of X whose complements are countable sets. Those are called those set of T is called co-countable topology. Example, let X be a non-empty set, T be the family consisting of phi and all those non-empty subsets of X whose complements are countable, then show that T is a topology on X, or show that T is a countable topology. Both are same. Here complement of X is phi, which is countable, belongs to T. Phi belongs to T, pi dash. Phi complement of pi is X. X belongs to T, which is countable. Let G1, G2 belongs to T. Then obviously their complements are countable. Their union is also countable. By using De Morgan's law, their intersection is also countable. G1 intersection G2 whole complement is countable, nothing but G1 intersection G2 is also countable. This is countable, nothing but this element belongs to T. G1 intersection G2 is belongs to T. Therefore, finite intersection of any two open sets is again a open. Fourth point, let G lambda belongs to T for every lambda belongs to arbitrary set A, then their complement is countable. G lambda dash is countable. This implies intersection of set of G lambda dash such that lambda belongs to A is countable. This implies complement of union of G lambda such that lambda belongs to A is countable. Complement of this is countable, nothing but this belongs to T. That is union of set of G lambda such that lambda belongs to A. This whole set belongs to T. Therefore, XT is a topological space which is called co-countable topological space.